Make a U-turn. In 1,000 feet, slide left, take the next left, sharp left, turn right on, continue on, in a quarter mile, at the light, in 600 feet, turn right on.
You have reached your destination.
Yup. All right, so I am making an attempt, and a pretty good one actually, in straightening out this, obviously. Let me show you the side so it looks just as bad. Well, not just as bad. This one will be pretty easy to fix, I think. And I'm actually not sure if it does go down like that and turn in, or what. I don't think it's supposed to do that, but this side will be pretty easy to fix. The other one is curly cued and dorked up in a way that it's going to be a bitch. Then I have to fix this. Pop it out that way. That won't be tough. And pop that out that way. That won't be tough. I just need to work and work and work at all of this. Let me show you what I'm doing from the back here. I've got a stout piece of steel. And that's I'm using that as my straight edge. I'm going to undo all that, reposition, and then do it up again. And just keep on doing that until I've got a straight edge that I want. I've got all kinds of other crap ready to go. That's welding stuff, but you never know. And that's it. So I'll let you know when I'm done. Okay. Are you ready to, I don't know, celebrate with me? God damn. Hold on. Maybe we'll celebrate in a sec. All right. Check that out. Not bad. Not bad. So I've got some hammering and some dollying to do, but that's easy. I'm actually kind of surprised. I had myself fooled thinking dumbly that this was very thick metal. It's not. I mean, look. So I'm going to use that same piece of steel. Big ass thing. What is this? 12 gauge? It's on there somewhere, or it was. 12 gauge. I'm going to put it behind like that and just slowly crunch in the my C and D clamps until that pop is out. I'll do the same thing there, like that. And then use the hammer to get the correct radius. So I am, I believe, rightfully impressed with myself, and I invite you to do the same. If you don't, that's okay too. But I actually, maybe I should show you what what I had to do to overcome this. If you recall before, these uprights were just about right here. And when I started to adjust, readjust, and move my stuff around, these uprights just about came down. So I have, as you can see, supported them with other stuff that are now, you know, falling apart. So, like 1,000 different screws, leg screws, deck screws, on and on screws. And once I'm done here, I'm going to let this rest in a natural position yet again. And in such a way where there's not stress on these two back uprights. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. Well, anyway, I'll show you the other side once I'm done with it. Okay, here's the next one. I thought I'd show you what I'm doing as I do it. I'm gonna just start hitting it. Here's the basic curve, right? I've hit it a couple times to see if it's gonna do anything, and it does. So like this. I'll start at the top. Just work my way down. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad. Actually, it's very good, so I'm pretty pleased. Pretty pleased. This side won't be as tough. Won't be difficult at all. So I'll do the same thing. Look, oops. You can see it with my thumb and finger how easily this flexes. So I'm not awfully worried about getting that done like I want it to be. In fact, I'll probably use my little bar of copper over there on top of their yellow red bucket and straighten that out. I've already straightened out this. This was curled under. You can see where I ground it down. And I'll use a hammer and dolly for this little bit of a lip and this. Yep, this won't be tough. This will take just a few minutes, as a matter of fact. And that took literally about 2 minutes, maybe 5 minutes to set up. So a little bit of indentation from the hammer. I tried to grind some of that out so it looked better, but I've got it straight. It needs to come this way just a little bit to be at right angles with this, like it should be. That's not going to be tough. That's going to be another couple of hammer blows. And you can see that all this metal that was curved under is good to go. Yeah. This is a goddamn deadly weapon. I'll show you. See that? No big deal. Yeah, that's off my freaking skull. It's a hell of a lot less than what it was before. So I'll need to scrub the hell out of that. Poor me. Okay, so like I say, this goes that way a little bit. And this is the side that ripped up the aluminum piece over here. The triangle piece, I don't know what you'd call it, but that sucker right there. You can see right there. And we'll go back the other side. If I can get there, I got so much crap in the way. I'll toss that away. Yeah. So obviously that was damaged when that piece there was all dorked up. But now since fixed, so. God damn. This. My Roadster leaks. It's English. Do you know why the English don't build computers? Because they can't figure out how to make them leak. Okay, so I'm going to be done for the night. I think tomorrow I'm going to slice off the nose. I do not see evidence of crazing, cracking, or otherwise damage to the nose here from all the work I just did. Because I elongated and banged and just beat the shit out of this thing. I'll do some work on that shelf there so it's straight as well. And I think maybe it's just my imagination, but that looks a little straighter. You know, who knows? But what I'm going to do with that, I bought some angle iron that I will cut to length as necessary. Put it under there and clamp it with 1,000 C-clamps. So that's also nice and straight and looks better. And then I think what I might do, this isn't great metal, right? All of that crap there, start from here and just zorch it off, right? Or leave it as is, because I need that as a guide. I don't know, I'll have to think about that. I'll sleep on that as well. So, yep. All right, well, that's it. I'm going to post this because I'm feeling congratulatory. And that's that. So, good night.